Can you count with me to 10? Let's try. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try something different. Let's count backwards. Can you count backwards from 10? Let's see. Count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Want to try again? Let's try again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job.
Hello, friends. This is Miss Rainey, your virtual teacher's assistant. And this week, we're going to talk about the number 3. This is the number 3 here. These are 3 ice cubes. These are 3 hearts. And these are 3 hamburgers. See, 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them. Now we're going to do number 3 equations. So here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So if I have one thing, and then I add another thing, and then I add another thing, how many things do I have? In this case, I have 1, 2, 3 forks. So 1 fork plus 1 fork plus 1 fork equals 3 forks. 1, 2, 3. Now if I have 1 fork, then I add 2 more forks, I have 1, 2, 3 forks. As in right here, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Here it says 2 plus 1 equals 3. So if I have 2 forks and then I add 1 more, how many forks do I have? 1, 2, 3. Now what happens if I have 3 forks and then I don't add any more? So let's see. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 forks. I'm not going to add any more. So how many forks do I have? If you said 3, you are correct. Give yourselves 2 points. Because 1, 2, 3 forks plus 0 or no more forks have been added, you still have 3 forks. What about this one? It says 0 plus 3 equals 3. That means if I have 0 forks, I have 0 forks to start with. Then I add 1, 2, 3 forks. How many do I have? I only have 3 forks. So, we are going to do a practice sheet to see if this makes any sense to you. This is what the sheet looks like. So I am going to go over that sheet with you soon.